Hello everyone, welcome back again to FN Engineering channel. Today, we are going to continue our material regarding pressure vessel basic design. Previously, we have described pressure vessel basic design part 0. I had published the video on 25th November 2019 or 11 months ago. If you don't see yet the video, I recommend you to see the video first because the video will be related to this video. In addition, I also have published the material for each part of the vessel. For detailed explanation, I also recommend you to see the video first regarding the basic design of each part of pressure vessel, including shell, foam head, flathead, nozzle, reinforcement, flange, fittings, and welding design. Moreover, before we continue, please support this channel by subscribing FN Engineering channel and share this video to others. Alright, here are our outline explanation regarding pressure vessel basic design. We have described the explanation regarding part 0 or introduction, such as definition, reference, software, and scope design. Today, we are going to focus explain regarding part 1 or pressure part design. There are 4 main parts of the pressure vessel, namely shell, head, nozzle and reinforcement, and flange and fittings. After that, we will discuss part 2 or non-pressure part and part 3 or other design. First of all, to design pressure vessel, we need input data from user or customers. The common data from the user is called by datasheet or mechanical datasheet document. There is some information in this document, such as design and code of equipment, detailed use material, nozzle data attached to the vessels, and illustration or sketch drawing. In this video, I will show the example mechanical datasheet for horizontal vessels. Go to the next slide. This is an example of mechanical datasheet regarding design code. I will briefly overview regarding this data. The orientation of the vessel is horizontal. The design code uses ESME Section 8 Division 1 latest edition, so we will use the 2019 edition. Project reference for API 12G, UBC 1997, ESAE 7/10. This is explained regarding spirator specification and load design. The vessel should be certified by MIGAS or government organization in the oil and gas field. ESME stamp is not required, so the vessel are only ESME code, not ESME stamp. Then there are some data regarding temperature and pressure. Minimum design temperature 32 degrees Fahrenheit, maximum design temperature 150 degrees Fahrenheit, operating temperature 78 degrees Fahrenheit, design pressure 220 psig, operating pressure 10 psig, and test pressure 1.3 multiplied by design pressure. Then there are properties of fluid. Next, vessel size is 5.5 feet is the diameter and 12 feet length. There is no data for vessel thickness and joint efficiency, so we have to determine this data. There are some non-detective examination requirements. There are radiography 100%, using ultrasonic test, magnetic particle test as per code, and use dye penetrant. Corrosion allowance is 3.2 mm. Post-wet heat treatment as per code. Material impact test and transversion load are not available. Then we go to the next slide. regarding material data or material requirements. There are shell and head using SA 516-70, reinforcing pad and nozzle neck plates using SA 516-70 also, nozzle neck pipe using SA 106-B, internal demister for the non-pressure part using stainless steel 316, flanges using SA 105, pipe fittings using SA 234 WPB, support or saddle for horizontal vessels using SA 516-70, bolting using SA 193-B7 and SA 194-2H for bolt and nut respectively, and coating for them using fluorocarbon. The others are non-pressure part. In addition, there is some information regarding the construction of this vessel. Type of head using ellipsoidal or 2.1 ratio. Type of support using a saddle. There is some accessories for this vessel, including platform, ladder, handrail, manhole davit, lifting boss, lifting lug, and nameplate. Alright, then there are additional information regarding nozzle data. According to the table, we can see some information such as nozzle name or nozzle mark, nozzle size, flange ratings, type of flange, thickness of nozzle, service or function of the nozzle, and some additional information. In general, in the vessels, there are some nozzles for inlet fluid, outlet the fluid, manhole, venting, draining, nozzle for the instrument, and nozzle for spare. In detail, you can see carefully this table. Then, here are the sketch or illustration of the vessel. The vessel is horizontal type. There is some nozzle. You can see there is support, manhole, and others. Alright, based on the datasheet, we start the design, the main item of the pressure vessel in this vessel. We will design 4 main items of pressure part, including shell, head, nozzle and reinforcement, and flange and fittings. There are some calculation and evaluation for the pressure part. For instance, thickness calculation, maximum allowable working pressure calculation, minimum design metal temperature evaluation, and others. First of all, we're going to calculate and evaluate the shell. We will calculate the required thickness of the shell, calculate the maximum allowable working pressure, evaluate minimum design metal temperature, and evaluate the elongation and forming tolerance. But we will discuss all of them in the next video, inshallah. So keep update to FN Engineering channel. Alright everyone, thank you for watching my video. If you have some comments or suggestion, please write on the comment column. And if you get something new from this video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, share this video or channel to others, and turn on the notification from this channel to get updated video from FN Engineering channel. See you next time.